Hello? 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 Finally, someone. Just letting you know we're playing hide and seek. Why, hello there! We're playing hide and seek among us. Hello! We're playing hide and seek among us.
No, we aren't.
Yeah, we are.
No, we.
Check the settings yourself. Check the settings.
Oh, are you a soundboard troller?
Do you suffer from a lack of a father figure? Do you have clinical depression? Have you ever accidentally broken your mom's favorite coffee cup, and when she found out you did it, she tied you to a bed and spanked you with a metal spatula? If you said yes to any of these things, I don't care. And to keep it a bean, no one cares.
What the flip?
You're not my arch nemesis.
I'm gonna kill you! It's Among Us! We are Among Us hide and seek. It's hide and seek,
Nobody
everybody.
cares.
Hide
My
and
name
seek.
is Barack Obama, and you are fatherless.
What? Oh my god! Jesus,
I'm
that is so
engineer.
loud. If you're the imposter, event right now. If you're the imposter, event right now.
Okay.
Exactly right now. Okay, Brown's the imposter. Everybody run. Shut up!
A few moments later.
Hey y'all, just so you know, around wasn't really much. It was just like hide and seek. So it kind of got boring and stuff like that. So, but while I'm here, make sure to subscribe. Yeah, it really helped me, like, grow bigger. So thanks. Okay, so let's get back to the soundboard trolling.
Ah, take left. Take left. Cry about it. Wait, you're back from the dead? Oh no! Oh no! Wait!
He's gonna kill you now.
Wait! We can talk about this, man. We can talk. Talk about this. It doesn't have to be this way.
Do you suffer from a lack of a father figure? Do you have clinical depression? Have you ever accidentally broken your mom's favorite coffee cup, and when she found out you
I'm
did
the
it, she tied you to a
imposter.
bed and spanked
I'm
you
the
with a metal
imposter.
spatula? If you said yes to any of these
Okay,
things,
let's
I
do
don't
hide and seek.
care.
It's so
And to keep it a
blind.
bean,
It's so
no
blind.
one
Hide and
cares.
seek. 40, 39, 38, 6.
Bro, look, I'm not imposter. Wait. This is gonna be the longest task.
Do you suffer from a lack of a father figure?
Go
Do you have
away!
clinical depression?
Go away. Nobody likes you. I've juked him like 23 times. I just saw him. He vented. The hell? It ghost. Hello ghost. Hello ghost. Hello. I think the imposter just wants me to win now. If this was a real game, it would be impossible, and the imposter would win every single time. This damn posh. Okay. Oi! Orange! No! You can kill. I'm gonna report the body. You can report it.
If you guys
Wait,
have
Blue!
more funny.
Wait! Blue! Yes, I'm imposter. Let's go. Wait! Blue, say! Wait, hold on. Blue! Yellow. Hi. Hi, yellow. Hi. 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 Please. I'm just a kid, okay?
Congratulations, she made it to the end of the video. Now, I didn't say this at the start of the video, but I will be saying a little thing about my new grill tag content. So I have an idea of it being breaking news. Yeah. So stick around for that, and I'll soon be unbanned.